Welcome to an exciting day today. Today we're going to be uploading a collection, and what a collection is a collection of multiple media types. So we've done image gallery, we've done video gallery, we've done link gallery, all of which have their own media player. Whereas a collection is a mix of all in one place. Let's get started. We've done video gallery, we've done image gallery. Link gallery is just like a video gallery, but we'll do it another time. And then we have a collection, which we'll click today. And as you can see, on the left side, you have the menu where you can add a section. So you can add plain text, video gallery, image gallery, link gallery, and such. Then you can also add details like any other gallery. And here you can also obviously see the preview of the page. What I'll do is I'll add a video, as I've said, and the video is going to be of the main video. I'm repeating myself, I love it. Cool, so we're gonna save it. And what this is a fashion show we made for Hollister with Charlie D'Amelio, with Dixie D'Amelio, and it was super fun. But this is what we're gonna upload today. I'll manage cover at the end. It looks like a low res, but we'll manage it at the end. And what I wanna do is I wanna give it a title now. It's a Social Tourist Volume 2, which is with Charlie D'Amelio, and then I'm gonna do this. So I'll add a description. Influencer campaign featuring Charlie D'Amelio. I got my copy paste here, and that is it. Next thing we're gonna do is add the behind the scenes. So what I'll do is I'll add another section, and that one is gonna be another video, and it's gonna be called behind the scenes. And I'm just gonna leave it as behind the scenes and I don't really want a description on this one, so it will look just like that. And as you can see, you can start layering and stacking content on top of each other. So at the end of the day, you have almost like a case study or a project with all the photos and everything, which takes us to the next step. Now I want to add some photos, and not just photos. I do want to add some photos that are very specific to what we've done in the project. And you'll see that I have 3 photos that I'm going to upload, and you'll see why. So I wanted to show the production design and the set design progress, right? And the reason I want to do that is to show people how, and I want to make sure it's right. So 1, 2, 3. You'll see that we've done a progression of the set from 0 to hero. And then gallery style, you get to choose if it's a 1x1 or 16x9. These images are, as you can see, 16x9. So I'm going to pick that. And I'm going to click save, and they're right here. So then we can easily show the set design progress. And then finally, I do want to add some behind the scenes photos. So what I'll do is I'll go select from my computer, behind the scenes, select all of my behind the scenes photos that I picked. I see all of them here. I do want to always honor the crew first, meaning I'll put that first. And gallery, I'm just going to do 1x1 as I feel that might look prettier. If it doesn't, we'll be fine, but no, I like it. Now what I want to do is go to manage my cover. And I do have a specific cover selected. I mean, you can select from any of these that you've uploaded, obviously, to your gallery. However, I'm gonna use one that I like, which is this one labeled cover. I love it. I'm gonna use it. It's right here, save it. Great. And for 16x9, I'm gonna upload it again. Hey. Cool, done. Now we have a full project here, ready to go and ready to upload. We're gonna go to sections again and press upload and wait. And as we wait, we'll do a speed ramp. But in the meantime, if anyone has any questions whatsoever, feel free to type in the chat, please. Yay, it's up. And I'm not going to share this post right now, but we can go to my portfolio now and see it up. Awesome. So here is the collection. And it has 4 pieces of content, as you can see, and it's all here. Obviously, the more people that accept it, the more you'll see listed out here. And that's pretty much what a collection looks like. It honors every piece of media. It allows you to really build a robust portfolio. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Keep creating. Thank you.